Hello and welcome back. We're on day number 4 now, so let's open up that. This one. Okay, so let's see for today. Yes. So I went through my stash and picked out some vintage photographs that were winter themed. These sort of people wrapped up warm. I just thought it was a wintry cottage there. These ladies on a outing, maybe Christmas shopping. So some nice vintage images, and then in here are some little typed out words. So I have got time for a cuppa, hot chocolate weather, snuggle inside for a good book, with a good book, time to hibernate, and snowfall so softly. All right, lots of inspiration today for my page. Let's get started. So here's my journal, and we are on this page. And let's first of all pick an image to work with. So I've got this one, that one. This one I'd have to trim down just a tad, but that's okay. Same with that one. I think I'm going to go for the Christmas shopping image. And then also the words, where was it? Hot chocolate weather. So I'm just going to put the rest of that away and grab some extra bits, and we'll go from there. Okay, so I've pulled out a few different tissue papers. This one I stenciled myself. I've got that's lovely with the blue, and then there's this piece of yellow and a few scraps of fabric again as well. Let's start by laying some of these tissue papers down. Where's my matte medium gone? Oh. Open the jar. Oops. All right. Okay. I love how the tissue paper, when you stencil it yourself like this, you just get the pattern. So I just stenciled onto plain white tissue paper, and then when you add the glue, the tissue paper vanishes and you're just left with this lovely pattern. And let's throw in some blue, and that's going to again go quite transparent, so you'll still be able to see the pattern through there. This yellow's a little bit thicker, however, so don't think. I think I'm just going to keep this to the side here. So just making up a little sort of transparent little collage with my tissue papers. A bit more glue. Yep, okay. And then we've got my image, which I think is just going to go over here on this side. But let's add a little bit of the fabric here and there as well. I might just take that and grab my stapler, staple that onto there. I'm going to add this little bit over here. Okay, let's give that a quick dry. I think to incorporate in our photo a little bit more with the rest of the page, I'm going to grab some more of that pattern tissue paper and add it over the image. Maybe also a little streak of the blue. Down the bottom, and then I'm going to put a little bit of the yellow over here with the fabric. Let's see. So when we put that, yes, that will, it's a bit more, yeah, I think that works better. It flows a bit nicer. Let me grab my gesso a moment. Ooh. And what I think I'll do is just add a few little patterns, fingerprint marks with my gesso. Just here and there. Coming into the photograph as well. Put one on that piece of fabric too. Okay, good. Let's dry that. Lovely. Just grab my pencil so that I can then just put some little scribbly marks around those little fingerprints. And I think we'll stick our photo down, our image down. And then lastly is our words. Do we want them? Where do we want the words? There on the image or over here? Maybe I'll split them up a bit. Thin them down. There, perhaps. Okay, I think once they are stuck, I'm going to call our number 4 down, our number 4 page done. There we go. Hope you enjoyed that one, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.